Hello guys, thanks for joining us. Glad that you liked our previous vlogs so much that you are here again. Before we start, please like this vlog. You don't know how these small likes from your end motivate us to bring new vlogs for you every time. And if you like our content, you can subscribe us. So with this amazing coffee from ML12, let's roll our vlog. This is our second vlog from Shillong. Like Groove Eatery, ML12 is definitely on our recommendation list. Now, why ML12? Why not other cafes in Shillong? Yes, we will try to answer that. First, the location of ML12, which is nested in the serenity of tall pine trees away from the noises of the city. This gives such a soothing experience to every nature lovers. Second, definitely the interior and its rustic look, a heaven for every travel freak. From arrangements to sit on the ground, which gives you a traditional hill station feel, to rustic wooden log as dining table. Hanging a Royal Enfield above is more than enough to please a rider. Third, definitely the quality of food at a much affordable rate. If you go to ML12, try their Italian cheese pasta and Shillong chow for sure. Those were the two we totally loved. Apart from this, we tried their momo and their fried rice, which was equally good. All in all, a place you won't regret to dine in. In specific, if I have to say something different about their momos, that would be their sausages. Unlike coriander chili sausage that we are habituated of having with momos, ML12 serves a very different mustard sausage with locally grown spices perfect for their cold and wet climate. But do make sure that you have it in a very limited quantity, as it gives a very strong burning sensation. We just came visiting the Elephant Falls, and traveling whole day, we are more than excited to have our lunch in ML12. It was mostly raining the whole day, and this hot and spicy food from ML12 made us cheerful. By the way, our Elephant Falls visit will soon be uploaded on the channel, so don't forget to keep an eye on Eat Travel Repeat. So let us enjoy our food and you keep on enjoying our vlogs. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. It's TFG Original signing off from this beautiful tall and stout pine trees of Shillong. Catch you soon in our next vlog.